Hi, thank you so much for watching me today. Well, in this video I'm gonna show you how to treat your face naturally to look younger. And you will get rid of wrinkles and brighten your face. This magic mask will remove pigmentation. So why waste so much money on an expensive face mask from the store when you can use basic ingredients found in your kitchen? It's time to pamper yourself with some homemade face mask recipes. Just try it and you won't regret it. So, let's get started. All you need is 1 egg white and 1 teaspoon of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of honey. Beat the egg white well. Egg whites have properties to improve your skin's health, treat detrimental skin problems, and purify your face's appearance. Add honey. Always mix ingredients using clean hands and preparation surfaces, and test new ingredients on small patches of skin before applying them to large areas to confirm that an allergic reaction or irritation will not occur. Quickly remove any products that cause irritation or burning sensations. Add yogurt and mix the ingredients well. Now, how to apply the recipe. Apply the mixture on clean skin on your face and neck. Leave it on your face for 30 minutes to dry. After that, rinse with normal water. Try this mask once a week and you will get an amazing result. I hope that you like my video. So, for more videos, don't forget to subscribe and like. And thank you so much for watching.